me?
Yeah.
I need some Valdani.
Okay, what color do you need?
$1.99.
All right, let me look. Let's just see what we've got. Oh boy. Sure would be nice if we had some way to identify them once they've been half used.
So this is all about what happens when you lose your little disc that tells you what color thread this is. So when this falls out, I want to show you a little tip on how to keep this connected so you don't ever forget what this thread is. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to poke on each side. And use your big chubby needle and make a nice big hole on each side of the word color fast. Or color, depending on what you got. So 2 nice big holes like that. So then take your thread, don't cut the thread, thread your needle into it. And then you're going to insert your needle into the hole, and then you're going to go down the other side, and then you're going to go up one more time. So 1.5 times. So that's what you have. So then you unthread your needle, and then when you need thread, you're just going to pull it and clip. When you need more, you push it down and clip. And then when you're all done, you're going to park it right on your ball, and you're going to then wrap your excess thread around your ball, and now you'll never lose it.
If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and comment so we can keep making videos that you want to see. Check you later. Pick my head up, we're gonna start. Ready?
Yep.
If you find this video to be helpful, no, that ain't right. That is right. Damn it. Okay, ready?